Guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy, super moist banana bread using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. No mixer needed, just your bowl and a spoon. So let's jump right in. Alright, so first you preheat your oven to 350, grease your pan, line it with parchment paper and set it aside. So in a large bowl, we're going to add in 2 bananas. You want to make sure that your bananas are very ripe. So the riper they are, the sweeter and more flavor your banana bread will be. So you want to make sure that your bananas are very ripe. I'm going to add in my 2 ripe bananas into a large bowl. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and mash it until they are smooth and creamy with few lumps. Now, this is the base of our batter, okay? So take your time to get the texture right. Now, into the mashed bananas, we'll pour in ½ cup of melted butter. Just make sure that it is not too hot. To that, we'll add in 1/3 cup of brown sugar. We'll mix everything well until it looks smooth and glossy. Next, we'll add in 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we'll mix again until everything is fully combined.
Mommy, it smells good.
All right. Once that is done, we'll set it aside, then move on to the next step. Now, in a separate bowl, I'm going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, salt to taste, then a little grated nutmeg for extra flavor. We'll mix everything together so the ingredients are evenly distributed. Once that is done, we'll slowly pour in my banana mixture into my dry ingredients. We'll gently mix until combined, okay? Make sure you don't over mix it. Now, to that, I'm adding in a homemade buttermilk I have in my fridge. You can use your regular milk. It's totally fine. Now, we'll mix everything really well until I don't see any dry flour at all. Now, once that is done, I'll go ahead to pour my batter into my prepared loaf pan and spread it evenly. Now, I'd like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. God bless you. Now I'm going to give it a little tap and pop it into my preheated oven and bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes. And once a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, your banana bread is ready. Once your banana bread is ready, we'll remove it from the oven, then place it in a wire rack and let it cool completely. But you know what? In this house, we don't wait for it to cool. We're eating it right from the oven. It's super yummy, delicious. Trust me, if you try this recipe this holidays, your family are going to love it. And that is it. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.